respond to litigants, individuals, that challenge a policy and a manifesto position canvassed among the citizens of Kenya, voted by the people of Kenya. And how do we use the place of manifesto to remove politics of personalities and instead try to, consolidate the place of politics that is around a program, a policy, an agenda? How does the court help us to consolidate the place of getting away politics from being about personalities or sometimes even about ethnicity and taking it to the realm of issues, policies, programs? And how do we work together to make sure that we consolidate the place of a development trajectory, a program, a national program, backstopped by the people of Kenya through an election and rolled out by an elected government? And sometimes, as was said again by my younger brother Sakaja, if you have a program canvassed by a political party, a government, being rolled out, and sometimes it's not populist. Sometimes, as politicians, you have to balance between being popular and doing the right thing. Sometimes they don't go together. And then you sacrifice your political capital to do the right thing. But then the court on the other side decides to be popular and undermine the agenda that you have. And allow me, Madam Chief Justice, to appear before you on this matter. And I hope I am not abusing the court process, on this matter. I'm just trying to, in a very simple way, to put my thoughts across so that, maybe the court can apply its mind to it and help us, chart this course as Kenyans. Because it's me today, it's somebody else tomorrow, it's the next person the next day. And we all must think about this. So that particular matter is sometimes is a matter that informs some of the things that we do. And I am a layman, but we're told that the court also makes decisions. Sometimes they have to factor in public interest. Where does public interest, populism, playing to the gallery, where is that? How do we nuance it so that it is managed properly and we don't drop the ball? So this is just thoughts, and I'm really happy that Madam Chief Justice has said it clearly that we need to consult more, as institutions. What has become clear during the course of constitutional implementation and in the life of the Supreme Court is that, notwithstanding